Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create this kind of stylish versus or product comparison table for your WordPress website. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. So I am going to add new plugin page. Here I am going to search with affiliate X. This is the plugin affiliate X Amazon affiliate plugin. I need to install and activate this plugin first, as already I installed and activated this plugin. So I am going to all post section. Here I will edit an existing blog post, and on this blog post I will add that versus table. As an example, under this headline I want to add that versus table. Here click on this plus add block icon and search with versus. This is the block affiliate X versus line. I have to select this block, and this block is coming from that plugin affiliate X, which plugin we just installed few minutes back. I am clicking on this block. This is the product comparison table. Right now I will show you how you can customize this table as per you need. If I want to add other 2, 3, 4 rows, just click on this plus icon. It will automatically add another row. If you want to delete that row, in the right side you will find this delete icon. Just click, that row will delete. If you want to add another row, just click on plus. As many times you will click on this plus, as many row will create here. First of all, I will show how you can add the text inside this table. For example, this is the title, this is the subtitle, data value. Here its name versus. If you want to give a dot, you can give, or if you want to write versus like this. So I think VS is the perfect. Here you can write the value too. By the same way, you can add the text for rest of the row. So I am going to add dummy text on those row. Okay, I already added the demo text here. Here I gave a demo headline and all of the demo text here. But new thing is I added a cross sign, tick sign and different style tick sign. How I added those? I am going to show you. Click on this plus icon. For example, demo title, and here I want to give a tick sign. So how I can give it? Just click here. After clicking, you will see there has an option for tick 1, tick 2, cross 1, cross 2. Just you have to select any one. For example, if I want to select this one, then this tick sign will display here. Or if I want to select this tick sign, it will display here. In the right side, if I want to display this cross sign, it will display. Or if you want to display this one, just remove previous one and give this cross sign. So I believe you can easily add all of the data for this table. Now I will show you how you can customize this table, color, font size and everything. For this, you have to select this table. Click anywhere of this table. After clicking, you will get this bar. So click on this bar. Make sure this table select perfectly. After selecting this table, in the right side, you will find this block option. In the block option, first settings is general settings. Click over the general settings. First option is box shadow. By default, it's none. There has no box shadow. If you wish, you can include the box shadow. Click over the none. After that, there a box will pop up. Then you just enable it. Then you see a box shadow is displaying. If I disable it, you can understand perfectly. I am going to disable it. Again, enable it. I believe you already seen the differentiate. Okay. Next option is title heading tag. Right now it's marked as paragraph. If you wish, you can mark it as heading 2, heading 3. So it's talking about this heading. This is the title. Next, come to the border settings. After opening this border settings, I see border is not enabled here. It's all are 0. If I give 2 instead of 0, then you will see the difference. There will be a border of this box. This is the box right now with the border. You see, all of the four side there has a border, and you can understand more better if I change the color. So click this color around this icon. After clicking here, you can change the color. For example, I want to use this color as a border. You see, border color is displaying perfectly. After that, in the right side, you will see there has laptop, tablet and mobile icon. That means this table is 100% responsive. Okay, come to the next option. This is the border radius. As all value here are 0, that means there is no border radius. If I give 10 on every 4 corner, then you will see a border radius is displaying here. Next customization option is color. First of all is the versus color, and this black color is the text color. That means this versus text color, and this color is that round border background color. As example, if I want to give the background color as this color, you see all of the versus background color already changed. Same way you can change the text color. Next option is content color. That means all of the text color its meaning. If you want to change, you can change. As an example, I am going to change. You see all content color already changed. It was black previously, right now it's this color. Next option is table row color. If I click on this row color and if I select any other color, you see color is going to change. Next, come to the background type. Right now it's the solid background, but there has another option, it's gradient background. If I select gradient background, you see this table background is gradient. Even there has few preset gradient color. If you wish, you can select those color also. Or if you want to use solid color, just select the solid color and you can change the solid background color from here. Just click here, and if you want to change the color, you can easily change. So all color option is done. Next option is the typography. Typography means all text or font, which font you want to use here, what would be the font size and font weight, line height, everything you can customize. First option is VS level typography. That means all of those versus typography. If you want to change the font family from here, just select your desired font. You see it's already changing. If you select another one, it's changing. And if I click on this 18 pixel, this pixel, that means here you can change the font size, line height, letter spacing, and you can make it capitalize, sentence case, everything as per you need you can change. Even in the right corner there has font weight. By default it's 400. If you wish, you can change. By following the same way, you can change the title typography, content typography. Come to the next option, that's the spacing. Right now margin bottom 30 pixel. If you need to add margin on top, right or left, you can just add that pixel number here. It will work perfectly as per your command. Next option is padding. Right now there has no padding for this table. If you wish, you can include the padding. Now come to the final option. This is the advanced settings. Here you can add additional CSS class name. If you want to make more customization of this table, you can use additional CSS. To workable that additional CSS, you have to add class name here. After that it will work perfectly. So all of the settings are done. Now I am giving save this post. After that I will check how this table looks like at the front end. So I am going to view the post. You see, this is the table actually. We worked as a demo table. I just guide you how you can customize this table. So for your website brand color, you can change the table color as per your choice. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily create this versus or comparison table for your website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.